All right, we're at this tower in Valencia. We have some ThyssenKrupps. Let's see, you're up to 14. It's actually rather tall. 2007. Big old Ceham panel. Watch up here. Ceham birthday. Oh no. It's gonna be a minute waiting now. All right. Back on, down to B. I think that's Catalan. That's not Spanish. That's not, I don't know. It's so weird. It's so hard to tell Catalan and Spanish apart. Because it's like, is this Spanish with just a bunch of words I don't recognize? Hopefully I'll find something other than mods and ThyssenKrupp here. But that is kind of what I've been seeing so far. Ceham panel, Ceham SQ fixtures. Anyway, very fancy place. That will be all.